Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P0122 indicates a problem related to the throttle position TP sensor A circuit, specifically a low voltage situation. This code is generated by the powertrain control module PCM when it detects that the voltage signal from the throttle position sensor is lower than expected, which can impair the engine's performance and response. This condition is typically diagnosed using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. To verify the issue accurately, the TP sensor plays a vital role in engine management by informing the PCM of the throttle's position, which directly affects air-fuel mixture and timing decisions critical for vehicle operation. The TP sensor A is located on the throttle body assembly, usually near the intake manifold, making it accessible during engine diagnostics. Such a malfunction can lead to limited engine performance, causing hesitation or stalling, ultimately affecting the driving experience. DTC P0122 indicates a confirmed issue with the throttle position sensor A circuit showing low voltage. The TP sensor is crucial for detecting the throttle's position, sending that data to the PCM to help control engine performance and efficiency. In this situation, if the voltage from TP sensor A falls below 0.3 volts, the system triggers this failure. The throttle body is situated on the intake manifold, and its easy accessibility allows for quick diagnostics. When this code appears, it can considerably impact driving conditions by resulting in unresponsive throttle behavior or sluggish acceleration, making it essential for technicians to address the underlying cause as soon as possible for proper vehicle performance. Several potential causes can lead to the appearance of DTC P0122, each requiring thorough investigation. First, a faulty TP sensor is a prime suspect as it directly influences voltage signals sent to the PCM. Second, wiring issues such as short circuits or broken wires can interrupt the signal between components, leading to erroneous voltage readings. Third, poor connections or loose terminals at the throttle body and PCM can create inconsistent data transmission, which could result in intermittent errors. Lastly, the PCM itself could be malfunctioning, rendering it incapable of properly interpreting the sensor data. By addressing all possible causes, technicians can effectively resolve the issue and restore proper vehicle function. When DTC P0122 is present, drivers may experience several noticeable symptoms that impact vehicle operation. One common issue is engine stalling, which can occur if the PCM receives inconsistent or incorrect signals from the TP sensor. Drivers may also notice poor acceleration, making it difficult for the vehicle to respond to throttle inputs. In worse cases, the throttle might become unresponsive, leaving the driver unable to control speed effectively. Additionally, a warning may be displayed on the dashboard in the form of a check engine light, alerting the driver to a malfunction. These symptoms collectively affect vehicle safety and performance, highlighting the need for prompt and accurate diagnosis. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0122 involves verifying the problem accurately. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode to power the system without starting the engine. This enables the technician to utilize the HDS for diagnostics. After powering the system, it is essential to clear the DTC using the HDS. This resets the fault conditions and allows for fresh readings. The technician should check the operational value of the TP sensor A to see if it registers below the threshold of 0.3 volts. If the current conditions match the threshold, it confirms that a failure is present and necessitates further investigation into potential faults. If not, it may suggest an intermittent issue requiring further examination of connections and loose terminals. In the second troubleshooting step for DTC P0122, technicians need to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS. Specifically, they should verify whether DTC P0122 appears alongside DTC P0222, which pertains to the throttle position sensor B. If both fault codes are present, this suggests a systemic issue that may require further investigation at Step 4 in the troubleshooting process. Conversely, if P0122 is indicated alone, technicians should proceed to Step 3 to conduct a detailed wire check on the THL1 line. Identifying whether multiple DTCs are present can help narrow down the scope of the diagnosis, aiding in pinpointing the root cause of the issues efficiently. The third step involves checking the THL1 throttle position sensor signal wire for any shorts in the circuit. Begin by turning the vehicle to the off or lock mode, ensuring the system is powered down. Next, technicians need to jump the SCS service check signal line using the HDS and wait more than 1 minute, which prepares the system for further testing. After this preparation, disconnect the connectors from both the PCM and the throttle body. The primary task here is to check for continuity between specific test points to determine if the THL1 wire is intact. By assessing the continuity between the throttle body connector and the body ground, technicians can identify if there's a short circuit in the wiring. If continuity is detected, they will need to repair the wire. If not, other aspects of the system should be examined. In the fourth step of troubleshooting DTC P0122, technicians will focus on the VCC3 voltage common circuit 3 line to ensure proper signaling from the throttle body. First, disconnect the throttle body 6P connector to isolate it from the circuit. Next, turn the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This energizes the circuits for testing. With the vehicle powered up, technicians will measure the voltage between specific test points at the throttle body connector. Ideally, the voltage should read approximately 5.0 volts, indicating that the power supply circuit is functioning correctly. If the measured voltage is satisfactory, it typically signifies a malfunctioning throttle body that will need to be replaced. Conversely, if the voltage is not within range, technicians must move on to the next diagnostic step to check for open wiring conditions. The fifth step entails assessing the VCC3 wire for any breaks or open circuits that could lead to the DTC P0122 being triggered. Start by turning the vehicle to the off or lock mode to power down all systems, ensuring safety during the process. Like in previous steps, technicians will again jump the SCS line with the HDS and wait more than 1 minute. Following this procedure, the throttle body connector and PCM connector need to be disconnected to facilitate accurate testing. The focus here is on checking for continuity between the throttle body connector and a terminal on the PCM. If continuity is confirmed, this indicates that the VCC3 wire is intact, suggesting that other components may be at fault. If there is no continuity, technicians should address the open circuit by repairing the wire between the throttle body and PCM to rectify the issue. Final repair verification is crucial after completing the troubleshooting and repair steps for DTC P0122. To commence, clear the DTC using the HDS to reset the system and eliminate any previous error codes. Following this, it's important to conduct a test drive under various conditions to check the functionality of the throttle response and overall engine performance. After the drive, recheck the system for DTCs using the HDS to ensure that the repair process was successful and that no new or recurring codes appear. This step not only validates the effectiveness of the repairs made, but also provides confidence that the vehicle is now operating within its design parameters. Effective verification ensures that the issue is completely resolved, promoting driver safety. Preventive maintenance plays a significant role in avoiding recurring issues related to DTC P0122. Technicians should regularly inspect the wiring integrity associated with the throttle position sensors to identify any potential wear or damage that may lead to future failures. Ensuring that all connections, especially at the throttle body and PCM, are secure and free from corrosion can greatly reduce the likelihood of intermittent errors. Additionally, routine cleaning of the throttle body assembly can maintain optimal performance and prevent gunk buildup, which may hinder the sensor's readings. Keeping these practices in mind not only extends the lifespan of the components involved, but also contributes to the overall health of the vehicle's engine management system, thus enhancing performance and safety. In conclusion, managing DTC P0122, indicating a low voltage in the TP sensor A circuit, requires a systematic approach for effective troubleshooting and repair. Each step, from verifying the DTC to addressing wiring connections, is critical in pinpointing and rectifying the underlying problems. Post-repair validation ensures the vehicle operates as intended, while avoiding future occurrences of this code. Engaging in preventive care, such as regular inspections and maintenance of key components, not only enhances reliability, but also supports the long-term health of the Honda CRV. By understanding and addressing the complexities of DTC P0122, technicians can significantly improve performance and overall driving experience for users. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.